Before we get started with this week's episode, don't forget to check out our MissPlanIt roses on Amazon. They are on sale right now. You don't want to miss them. Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of MissPlanIt. We are so glad you could join us. So this week we have requests from a community member, and her name is Ureli, and she writes, I'm getting married next year. My fiance is French Creole and I am from Veracruz, Mexico. And we are looking to incorporate both of our cultures in our wedding theme and decor. After long hours of searching for something that felt that best represented the both of our cultures, we stumbled upon this beauty. And she absolutely is a beauty, Ureli. We would love for you to recreate this piece with our colors that are similar to the picture: orange, burgundy, berry, blush, and white. Thank you so much for helping us, MissPlanIt. Well, Ureli, I am so excited to help you create this tall, beautiful French Quarter inspired centerpiece with a splash of Spanish culture. So, without further ado, let's get started with this week's project, our tall French Quarter splash of Spanish tall wedding centerpiece. All right, guys, let's get to it. So before we attach our 6-inch styrofoam ball to our 24-inch vase, we're going to first make an indentation using the rim of our vase, apply our hot glue to the rim of our vase, and then replace it right where we made the indentation for extra special hold. This centerpiece is all about layering, and we accomplish that by using various stem lengths. So I'm using anywhere from 6-inch stem length all the way to between a 12 and 14-inch stem length to create that shape that Ureli desires in this beautiful centerpiece. So take your time and cut your stems to fit the shape that you desire for your centerpiece. Well, Ureli, how did we do? I love the idea of incorporating both you and your fiance's cultures into this beautiful centerpiece. I think we hit it on the head. It reminds me of the French Quarter that I have visited quite often, and it gives that splash of Spanish flair, and I just love it. I absolutely love how it turned out, and I hope you love it as much as we do. Thank you so much for allowing us to be a special part of your day. So with that being said, if you like this video, by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every single week. And if you would like an extra special notification, just click on that little bell right down in the corner and you'll get a special notification from ourselves, letting you know that our videos are up and ready for view. In addition to that, if you have questions or concerns or just want to give us some props, go ahead and put it right there in our comment section. We absolutely read them and we absolutely respond. In addition to that, you can follow us for more DIY inspiration on our Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest pages. And if you have not already signed up for your Rakuten rebate account, what are you waiting for? Take advantage of those options. It's absolutely free, free. Head on down to our description, click on the link, sign up for your account. When you're ready to shop, sign on to your account, make your qualified purchases, and receive a check in the mail for your shopping efforts. It's just that simple. Don't forget to check out our MissPlanItShop.com website. Click on that little arrow in the corner. It'll take you right there for all of your DIY digital downloadable planning guides. There's a guide for brides, there's a guide for parties, there's a guide for the maid of honor. They are all fantastic tools that you can use to create the wedding or event of your dreams. So check them out. They are so helpful and we created them just with you in mind. Well, guys, our time has come to an end. It always goes by so fast. I just want to thank you for taking the time to spend with us. We know you have so many options on YouTube, and we are just grateful that you choose to spend your time with us here at MissPlanIt. Don't forget to head on over to our website, MissPlanIt.com, for additional instructions, picture instructions of all of our projects, as well as our many blog posts giving you all the helpful tips we have learned along the way. There's so much information we'd like to give to you. We just don't have enough time on our weekly video post. So head on over there, check it out. You can also click on the link below to sign up for to submit your project request. As far as head on over to our website, and there's a tab you can click the tab, follow the very easy steps to submit your request. We just ask that you do it as soon as possible because our production schedule literally fills up 6 months in advance. So please do it early. We hate telling anyone no, but even if we can't fit you in, we definitely can give you some tips on how to create that wedding or centerpiece of your dreams. So head on over there and check us out. Well, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this week. I so enjoyed spending this time with you. And always remember, when every penny counts, count on MissPlanIt. Please take care of yourself. We'll see you soon. God bless.